What's up, guys? It's October 14th, 2025. We're going to break down the E-mini. We're going to talk about setups, trap traders, and market context and market cycle. I usually do these in about 10 minutes, but to be completely honest with you guys, I think I've got some sort of like light strep throat coming on. Feels like Freddy Krueger's chopping my throat up right now, so I'm going to do today's one kind of fast. Still a good day. It was profitable. I bought bar 3, exited here. I actually got short here and I was trapped. I shorted here and right around here with other trading options when the contracts were crushed and I made my money back. It's not a bad day. If you're wondering why I bought this bar, even though there's no leg 2, because I trade leg 2s, I was actually trading a leg 2 from this gap up. So leg 1, pull back, trading range behavior, leg 2. A little bit early exit. I did get short at the EMA thinking today was going to be more bearish because the gap down got continuation, but if it didn't sell off, I was thinking trading range behavior, and it happened. So got kind of lucky. I was a little bit nervous when I saw this rally, but I thought it was climactic, and I thought it was the third leg. So leg 1, pull back, leg 2, pull back, leg 3. Sideways price action. Market cycle says we break out. Give me 1 second. I'm gonna clear my throat. I kind of messed up the volume a little bit there, guys. Give me 1 second. Okay. Close that tab. This week's turning into an inside bar, which means next week could be breakout, or I guess which means breakout mode on the weekly chart. Pretty crazy looking daily chart too, because we have a leg 1. Bears want to catch that leg 2, but now we have a good rally. Even leg 1 pull back leg 2 kind of, and that's that leg 2 I was trading today. So pretty interesting stuff to be where we're at right now because it's trading range behavior. This bear bar didn't get followed through, and now we have an inside bar, outside bar. That's the overnight session, but this bar is still an inside bar from that bar, so we're in breakout mode. Something interesting. I don't want to. How do I say this? I don't want to be like, oh, we're breakout mode, we're gonna catch a big move, but we'll just see what happens. I think something cool can happen. Either we rally, sell off, or maybe we go sideways. Traders get trapped, and then we break out one way. Again, I'm gonna make today's kind of fast to talk a little bit more about the setups and market cycles instead of going bar for bar. Gap down, got continuation with bars 1 through 3. Remember, market cycle or first principles say that a breakout or a reversal can happen. The market either breaking out or reversing. So today's first principle in play was the reversal. Breakout, it reversed 4, 5, 6, 7, reversed the 3 bars down, and I got long on 5 because I saw that we're following the first principle, and I'm still following the leg 1, pull back, leg 2. Stop loss down here. I have a mental style when I trade options because volatility can knock you out quickly. When I trade feuds, I just put the stop where it belongs. So 4 through 6, 7. Sean to get second leg. Give me 1 second, I gotta clear my throat. Sean to get second leg. Bar 8. Good fade. You buy that, and then you rally or hold it to the EMA. That's resistance, and then look, we even went sideways. Like 1, pull back like 2, pull back like 3. This is also trading range behavior. Could say we break out of the trading range like 1, pull back like 2, pull back like 3. Sideways price action. I got out. I shorted this 2-bar reversal, but then I got trapped. I shorted the EMA and then I shorted the third leg. I made money here. 27 through 29, 3 bull bars in a row with the gap right around here. Let's see if this is the 50% pullback. Yep. So if I was trading feuds, it already got filled. You see 2R was met. Nice setup right there. I would have missed this whole rally if I was trading feuds. When I trade options, I like to trade around crushed contracts and kind of early, so I look for a little bit more of a move. But when I'm trading futures, I just scalp. 33 through 41. Sean to get second leg, but we are coming to that third leg, and we are trading. Broke above the EMA, higher time frame EMA, and now we're in third leg. We start to put more sideways. What's the market cycle say? It says breakout, opposite bar. So we have a reversal. This is a breakout today. Opposite bar, bar 8. Starts the channel phase. We channel higher for 2 to 3 legs. So breakout, pull back, channeling higher, 2 to 3 legs. Then we go sideways. When we go sideways, that's the end of the market cycle, trading range behavior, and we get that breakout here. 72 to 75, and now looking for that leg 2 down. All right, guys, again, today was fast. It was 5 minutes. I appreciate your time. Thank you. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Have a good night, everyone. Bye.